everyone, welcome to yet another Lido homework session. In today's class, we are going to be doing a science problem. So let's begin with the question. The question here is, explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to human. So friends, can you think of the ways through which noise pollution is harmful to us? Exactly. So through noise pollution, we can have a temporary or permanent hearing problem. And also it can cause to lack of sleep, hypertension, anxiety and many more. So let's begin with our answer. Answer. A person who is exposed to a loud sound continuously may get temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. So what happens is that if a person is exposed to loud sound continuously, he or she may cause hearing impairment. So that can be temporary or even permanent. So what happens is, even if a person is exposed to having excess noise in the surrounding, then it can also affect our health. How? It can cause lack of sleep, hypertension, anxiety and so many other issues. So let's continue with our answer. Excessive noise in the surrounding can also cause health related problems like lack of sleep, hypertension, anxiety and many more issues. So noise pollution can cause temporary or permanent impairment of hearing, and also it can lead to lack of sleep, hypertension, anxiety and so many such issues. So friends, I hope you have understood the solution of this question. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment below, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and for further such videos, please subscribe to this channel. Till then, thank you all.